Proper grounding is important for safety purposes and to ensure a stable system. First, let's take a look at the 1410 wireless gateway grounding. The 1410 is a DIN rail mounted device, and there's a grounding plate on the back of the gateway that will contact the DIN rail, which should be grounded when installed. Ensure the DIN rail is isolated from the case or chassis and wired to an instrument ground. An alternative ground is connecting an instrument ground wire to the middle position of the connector on the front of the 1410. This connection is intended for cable shields, but could be used as a gateway ground if the gateway is mounted in a high vibration area. Now let's look at the 1420. The gateway should be grounded using the external lug or the ground lug on the ground connection in the terminal block area. The lightning arrestor ground wire should be connected to an eyelet provided with the arrestor. Lightning is high frequency. Thus it travels on the skin of the grounding wire, so it requires a large stranded or braided grounding wire. It is recommended that the wire be a minimum of 6 gauge or 4.11 millimeter. In all grounding scenarios, the grounding wire should be as straight as possible to ground and cut to length with no coiling. Now for devices. Metal case wireless devices have to be grounded according to local electrical codes. Grounding can be done by using an optional external ground lug or by using the ground lug inside the power module compartment. Finally, there is a difference as to which ground you should use. The gateway should be connected to a dedicated instrument, or sometimes referred to as a DC ground, as you don't want the gateway subjected to plant noise. And the lightning arrestor should be connected to a normal safety ground. Here is a list of other wireless how-to videos available on YouTube. Use the URL below to view the complete educational services course offering.